inside of the Katai National Park. Yeah, nice.
Arriving at Katai Campground.
Yeah, you hear the sound? Katai Campground. Already found a place to stay. Here. In front of this red lake. I don't know why this color red. Already put the table there. It's actually hot. There is a fireplace here. And if you remember, I actually have this camping chair. Oh, just relaxing at the moment. And I'm actually going to use now the hiking shoes. This looks really beautiful. I am thinking of taking the rubber shoes, hiking shoes one, but I have rubber shoes already. Something like this is what I don't really have. Yeah, I still can't use this because it's still sensitive. Oh, it already touched the floors, the ground. Yeah, one thing I noticed is that a lot of poops of the kangaroos, yeah, on the ground. Look at that. Yeah, a lot. And there are other campers actually here. Yeah, those two, they just came. This one already built their tent. And there is actually a river. If I'm not mistaken, that's the Hawkesbury River. Oh, there's more camping area on this. Very nice. And there is also a shower toilet area. Let's use it. The toilet is modern actually. Yeah, there is a 5 minutes limit on the hot water. Yeah, there is hot water, but just 5 minutes. Toilet and urinal. Yeah, you can't really explore that other side because it's closed and there is penalties apply. Let's go to the other side. Very nice. And here there is a group of campers. You can see there is the access to the river. Yeah, looks like there's nothing really much in here, just a pure camping and relaxation. There's no hiking or swimming. I don't know if you want to swim in the beach. Actually, you can do jet ski like those people. Yeah, even here there are many poop of the kangaroo, wallaby, but I don't know where are they at the moment. Yeah, maybe in the bush area. For sure later in the afternoon they will come out. There is one kangaroo. Yeah, don't attack me, I'm not doing anything to you. And on the other side of the river there is kind of a park. Yeah, or maybe a golf course. I don't know exactly, but there's no way to go to that other side. Yeah, it's like a little bit down there. Maybe this is just a private golf course. Yeah, there is a house over there. 3, 4, 5. Actually, there are more. Yeah, maybe residential golf course. Oh, nice. There's actually a warp here. Yeah, nice. We are going down there. Yeah, this is how it is. You know, when I was browsing for a property, I saw one non-urban land that is for sale along this river, Hawkesbury River, and that is just around 200,000 something dollars. Yeah, but the only thing about that is that you are not allowed to build a house, and what you are allowed to do is to build just a cabin. The good thing about this camping ground is that there is a internet connection. Yeah, actually 5G, so it's nice. I believe these trees, they are planted yeah, by human, because they are properly in line, organized. But for sure they planted that long time ago, as in very long time ago. Oh, there are another kangaroos here. There are 3 or 4, 5 actually. Yeah, there are 5, actually more than 5. Some of them are laying on the ground. I think those red thing on the surface of the water is actually the leaves of those trees. I'm not sure. Or maybe this is the oil of the soil of the land, you know. Yeah, but there are birds, not birds but kind of duck, cygnet. Yeah, at the moment we actually have rice here.
There are some kids at the beach.
So it's cold. I'm going to put it outside now. Yeah, I'm like this because it was hot when I arrived here, but now it's getting windy, so I need to wear my shirt. I can see that the other people, the other group, they are already preparing their... Yeah, if you can see on the other side, they are having barbecue. Even the family on this side, I mean even the group on this side. And I actually did not prepare. And this rice, I have ready rice. So I'm just going to fry an egg. I have everything ready here. Even this yeah, my seasoning, the rice. Yeah, it's everywhere. But the problem is I forgot something. Yeah, I forgot the pots and pan. So how I am going to cook now? Yeah, I don't have any. Yeah, I thought it's under this cabinet. Now I realized that it's in the big box. Yeah, what I'm going to eat now. So what is going to happen is that, yeah, I'm going to eat just this tuna in can and rice. Yeah, I don't have anything to cook the I don't have anything to cook the egg. Even my rice cooker, I actually leave it in the house. I don't know, how can I possibly cook the egg in the boiler? Is that okay? Yeah, can I use this to boil the egg? Oh, I remember that I have a plate. Maybe I can use that to fry an egg. But I'm already boiling this. Yeah, I think it's okay. Let me find a way. I actually have this enamel. Can I cook with this? Can I fry an egg with this? Looks like I can. I will keep boiling the egg. And if you remember, I also have noodles here. Yeah, the fresh noodles. I'm also going to cook it without any onion, no garlic. It switches off by itself because it's boiling totally. And I will just leave it there. And now I'm going to put some of this water. Yeah, I will sit on this side so the people, they don't see me. Yeah, I'm cooking the noodles. Yeah, just reheating. This is very funny. If people see me doing this, they will be laughing. Yeah, just like you are laughing now that I am doing this thing. Yeah, I'm a little worried about this plate. Maybe it is going to melt, or maybe it is plastic inside and it's going to be burned. I don't know. And the people at the back, they are actually playing Chinese song, Chinese music. Okay, I think this is better. I cannot really hold the pan. I'm also going to reheat the tuna. I'm always not prepared like this because I always have no solid plan of going out. Yeah, I'm happy with the noodles. It's cooked. But you know, the soy sauce is very black. Also egg. That is how it is. Okay, this is my meal. Okay, this is the first taste. The rice. Not very bad. Yeah, just the same of the food that I am cooking in the house. And the rice is still a little cold. Not room temperature. And it's actually the tuna that made it tasty. Oh, there's one kangaroo. The boiled egg. Yeah, maybe I'm going to eat it tomorrow. Breakfast. Okay, that's it. I'm full. Yeah, that much of leftover I have. I'm going to give it to the kangaroo. No, I'm just going to put it back here. Also the noodles. I think kangaroo is not eating human food. Oh, kangaroo, they actually eat carrots. Yeah, I remember when I first time to see kangaroo closer. Yeah, the people, they are feeding them with the carrots. Should I go to the dishwashing area or just wash it here in the bun? Actually, instead of washing this in the bun, yeah, I prefer to wash it here in the, yeah, there's a sink here in the barbecue area.